Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Spotify catching out on your settings. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down, then you click here on apps and you come to apps window here like you say, you just go down here to looking for Spotify app and this is window and only can you search for it. Then you click here on Spotify and you come to next window here or app info and you click here on for stop, then you click here on OK and you just go down, you click here on storage, then you come to a storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just go to Play Store. We will go to Play Store, you click here on Play Store and you come to Play Store and you search for Spotify and you click here on update and make sure you update your Spotify app and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.